How to use Higgsfield AI UGC Builder. Follow the instructions. Upload your face or pick an avatar in the UGC Builder interface. Upload image or avatar template in the UGC Builder. Select a cinematic camera motion preset. Choose camera motion like crash zoom or crane shot. Enter an action prompt describing desired movement or behavior. Describe how your character should act or move. Adjust emotion and energy to set the character's mood. Pick emotion or energy level for the scene. Add voice style, accent, or background speech. Customize accent, voice style, or add speech. Layer background sounds like ambience or music. Add ambient or cinematic background audio. Choose quality level, for example, VO3, then generate video. Select quality model like VO3 and hit generate. Review output, download or iterate to fine-tune scenes. Review, download, or adjust and regenerate as needed. Thank you for watching.